Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Giant Bendy Hand. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start with his thumbs first, and then we're just going to work around it. So we're just going to draw in, let's draw the very tip. So it could be a little bit rough, it's kind of like a kind of messed up palm anyways. So we're going to draw this first, and that's going to be the very tip. And then we're going to continue this and just kind of curve it down. And down here is going to be his wrist. Okay, so once we have this shape, let's add a little bit of bend right around here. I'm just going to come down. Okay, and then let's move on to the other fingers. So then for this other one, we're going to start right around here. And I'm just going to go up, curve all the way out here. Just kind of give it like a little bumpiness to it. Okay, and then we're going to curve this. So this is going to be the very tip. And then just come back. Again, just kind of a wavy line. Okay, so that's one. And then we're going to draw one more down here. So start on the very tip here. And this one's going to be kind of turned down a little bit. So we're going to kind of curve down. Okay, so that's going to be the tip. And then we're going to move this back. So we got 1, 2. And then now let's draw one more, and this one's gonna be bending down even more. So start in the middle right around here. Just gonna come down, and again, just give it a little bit of waviness to it. Right, so now we have all the fingers. So now we're gonna come back from, now we're drawing the inside of the palm, and we're just gonna go all the way back here. And now we're just gonna connect this. Okay, so those are all the fingers, and it's actually not that bad, right? Alright, so now let's finish up the glove, and there's this little detail here. So we're gonna come out, and on the bottom here, come out, so there's a little bracket. And then to connect that, just kind of give it a little bit wavy line. Okay, so that's the glove itself. And then for the arm, it's really easy. It's just gonna be like a little tube. But we want to make it kind of a little bit wobbly as well. So now I'm just drawing the top side. Just gonna have it come down. And then now let's draw the other side. Again, wavy line because it looks like drippings and stuff. And then for this, let's stop here and then come back up here. Just kind of meet up with that and then continue down. That way you can create this little kind of like a little dripping area. And then for the base, I'm just gonna curl this inward, and we're gonna make it look like some kind of puddle. So right on this bracket here, we're gonna go out, just draw like another bracket like that. And then on this side, we're gonna draw the same thing and just kind of make it a little bit wavy. And then to connect this, you can just kind of have some of these wavy shapes to it. Okay, so that's the puddle, and to add in a little bit more detail, just come into the corner here and just draw like these little brackets around it. Or even little lines like that. We'll make it look like drippings. Right? Yeah, nice and gooey, right? And then for the arm, we can add in a few more lines like this too if you want. Okay, and then yeah, that's about it. And then there's gonna be a lot of like paint splatter, so I'm just gonna draw in maybe some areas like this. You know, so this is gonna be black, and I'm not gonna shade it in, but I will when I color it. So maybe like here, you just have like a little ink there, and then these little trails that kind of come down. It's just kind of drippings everywhere. Yeah, it's kind of really messy, so don't worry about trying to follow this exactly. You can just draw your own little blotches here and there. And that is it for this Giant Bendy Hand. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.